try to share my screen. I'll try to share my screen, and then
this meeting is being recorded.
Awesome. So welcome to our class. So since I will be on my laptop, we'll have a smaller screen. So I'll just quickly try to share my screen, and then when we get started, we will get things going on. Just mind you, since we started the class late, my apologies for the for the for the um, for the delay. We'll just use the smaller screen. Hope you can all see. I'm just going to try to make the screen a lot small. If you can, if it's much smaller, I apologize. You just have to bear with me whilst I'm away this week in Melbourne. So yeah, so I'm going to share my screen. Just let me know if you can see. Can you all see my screen? Yes? Can you see my screen? Okay, awesome. So I will try to do my best since I'm on another platform. I will be only answering questions separately. So hopefully everyone has their Edison robot ready and stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just get started. Okay, so first of all, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna learn how to just revise on everything we've learned so far, whilst we'll be doing some cool new features that allows us to do advanced stuff with our Edison robot. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to do the basic stuff, just how to make it, how to make things, make your robot pretty much run in a particular way until you press a particular button. So what we're going to do is we're going to do first things first, is we're going to do like the thing where we make our Edison drive until you press a particular button. And then they will pretty much move on to something else. So let's do this where we make it drive forward until you press a triangle button. So let's find this. Let's just do the first thing here. We move forward until you press the triangle button. And then you make it move backwards until you press the round button, okay? So let's do this here. You run in a particular way until you do something, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it drive backwards until you press the round button. So let's just try programming this here. Okay, so you should know how to do this. So you press this, you connect it. Let me just find a way to connect this on the side. You connect this here. You program Edison. Okay, let's see if it works. And then, nope. Okay, so let's just try one more thing. I'll just give me a second. Okay, so we'll try a different alternative way of setting up your Edison robot. If it doesn't work, then I want you to just to try doing it on your end as well. So what we're gonna do is I'm just going to let's find a way to see if this works. So we'll try an alternative method of like at least on my end on setting up your Edison robot as such. So let me just quickly set it up on my end. So because this is not working, so I have to try doing this alternative software and see if it works. Let's try this. If it doesn't work, then I want one of you just to demonstrate on your end. So let's try this here. Just using different platform whilst currently in Melbourne. What we're gonna do is I want one of you just to program it. Let me just. Okay, let's see if we can use the microphone. Can you all hear me? Can you all hear me now? It doesn't work for some reason. Can you hear me now? Okay, perfect. So what we're going to do, I'm going to share this link for everyone. If you don't have this, what I want you to do is try programming this, and then whenever you're ready, try programming this. Whenever you're ready to demonstrate, just raise your hand. When you successfully program this, raise your hand, and then try to demonstrate it on your Edison robot itself. Okay. Whoever's iPad, can you please unmute your iPad, unmute yourself, and can you turn your camera on? Okay. So, can you press triangle? And make sure you press triangle again. Okay, now it's moving backwards. That's good. Move backwards and then press circle. It should stop. Perfect. Awesome. So that's pretty much it. So what you do is you press triangle to make it move forward, and you press circle just to make it move backwards itself. Precisely how we wanted. That's awesome. Thank you very much. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna make sure the screen is sharing. What is it sharing? That's perfect. Awesome. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna try doing the same thing, but we're gonna make it like how do I say this? Spin left, maybe spin left until you press the round button. Let's find the until the round button. Let's find let's just find this button here until the round button is pressed, and then you spin right until the round button is pressed. Okay. So can you all try to program this, and whenever you're ready to demonstrate, just let me know. Okay. This class, I will need your cooperation since I'm not able to program on my laptop today. Okay, Jasper, can you try to demonstrate what it does? Can you move your camera down as such?
Yep.
Awesome. Let's see what you've done. Okay. So you press triangle, then press triangle again. It should move backwards. And then press circle. It should spin. And then oh, sorry. So make sure you press. Maybe hold your Edison, and then press triangle. So can you go down again? Can you push it down? Like, can you put your camera down again? Okay. So you press triangle, and then press circle, and then press circle again. And do you see it spinning?
No.
Okay. Did you do the 2 commands below, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I want you to do is just actually hold your Edison like this. Hold your Edison like this. Press play, then press the round button, and then press the round button, and then put it down on the. So after you press play, press triangle, then press round, and then put it on the table to see if it spins.
It doesn't move.
Okay. So maybe you didn't add the spin left or spin right. Did you add that?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe try reprogramming and see if it works.
Yep.
Okay. Do we have any other volunteers who want to demonstrate? Thank you very much, Jess. Okay, Pratham? Okay.
Can I demonstrate?
Yep, you can demonstrate. So what it's supposed to do is when you press the triangle button, it should move forward. And then when you press triangle again, it should move backwards. You press round to make it spin.
Can I demonstrate it?
Yeah, can you demonstrate? Okay, can you put your camera down so we can actually see the Edison robot itself? Okay, so press triangle. Okay, so you probably still have the old program. Okay, that's good. Backwards. Okay, so you probably still have the old program from last week. So make sure that you are able to how to explain this. Make sure that you are able to reprogram from what you done last week. Okay, so reprogram a new thing because you probably programmed what you did from last week. Okay, thank you very much for that input, Pratham. What we're gonna do is we're gonna move to Jasper. Let's try it again. Okay, so you all still using this same website. Let me just copy and paste this link again. Let me just copy this link and paste it. Okay. You're using the same link still. Okay. So let's just see until whoever gets it done. Okay, so Jess, you try. Let's see if you can get it working. Okay,
Yeah, we'll give it space to press it.
press
And press it again.
press the button, and then press
Yeah.
circle. Yep, perfect. Awesome.
Back in.
And press circle one more time. Exactly. This is exactly what it's supposed to do. Awesome. Thank you very much, Jess. Brilliant. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Sorry, Peter, you muted.
I think I muted myself, so I'm a bad. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to continue on. We're going to get the wait until. What it's going to do is this is going to make your Edison robot do nothing. Whenever your Edison robot does nothing, you just do nothing until you press the round button. After pressing the round button, we're going to make it play a sound. We're going to make it play a sound. So we're going to repeat the button and repeat this process until it stops. Okay, so make sure it's repeat until, not repeat, but repeat until. That's the very important thing. Not repeat, but repeat until. And then we can repeat until how do I say this? Until you press the triangle button to end the program. Okay, so whenever the triangle button is pressed, we're gonna play two notes here. We're gonna play C, we're gonna play A. And then we're also gonna do is yeah, we're gonna play C and A. And then we're gonna make it maybe drive backwards as well. We can drive backwards for like 3 centimeters, okay? Okay, I want you to try programming this, and then if you get it raise your hand up and demonstrate. Okay, let's see who. Okay, Pratham, do you want to try again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what you've done. Can you put your camera down? Can you put your camera down, so like this? Hello, you there? Can you put your camera down so we can see you, Edison? Okay, Jasper, let's see what you try, okay?
Just a sec.
Yeah, sure. Okay, Jasper, you ready? Okay, whoever's really ready to demonstrate, please raise your hand, and we want to move on to the next part until someone else demonstrates. Because we want to show everyone what it's supposed to do. Since my Edison robot cannot connect to my work laptop today, can anyone who has it working, please demonstrate. Okay, I can see Jasper, you still have your hand raised. Do you still want to demonstrate?
Yep.
Okay, awesome. So yep, so just press play, and then press circle, it should move backwards. Circle, it should make a spin. Press circle again, and then just leave it like that. It will do nothing, and then when you press circle again, it should play. Yep. Did it move? Okay, so what you should do is like, you should play 2 notes and then move backwards. And it'll keep doing that until you press triangle.
Yeah, move backwards a tiny bit.
Okay, but did you press triangle after that?
No.
Okay. So you listen on the
Okay.
right track. You listen on the right track. Awesome. Thank you very much, Jasper. Okay.
It's your turn. Yeah, it's your turn.
Okay, let's see what you've done. Yep. Now press triangle to go backwards, circle, and circle again. Okay, and circle. You should do nothing, and then yeah, that's good. That's good.
Okay.
Yep. Also, when you press the triangle, it stopped. Brilliant. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. Awesome. Brilliant work, Jess. That was really good job. Great job. Awesome. So now, what we're going to do now is we are going to do the next part here. So we're going to delete everything. So what we're going to do is we'll put this into a forever loop. We'll put this in a forever loop as such. We'll put this in a forever loop. So I'm going to find it forever. And then we will check if for example, during the loop, if the, how do I explain this? If you press, if you press the round button, then what we'll do is that you should make the lights turn on, and then else, if you press the triangle, then it should pretty much turn the light off. Otherwise, it should just continuously beep. Okay. So can anyone try this? Okay, so Jess would like to let's try this again. Do you want to demonstrate?
Sorry, we're not ready yet.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. All good. Okay, so hope you can see my screen now? Okay, just give it a few more minutes. Okay, so Pratham, let's see you do. Let's see you try again.
Can I demonstrate? Can
Yeah. Okay. Pratham, you there? So every time, what I want you to do? What I want you to do? Okay, Pratham, press play again. Press play again.
I told it to.
Press play again. Okay, so you did a different program altogether. Okay, that's pretty good. You did a different program altogether. Okay, awesome. Good job, Pratham. Okay, for future reference, can anyone try to just run their program, and then I'll give you opportunities at the end to do your own program and to show off everyone in his stuff. Awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you, Pratham. Okay. Jane, okay, so do you want to demonstrate, or did you have any issues?
So I've programmed my robot, but it's not moving.
Okay, this is exactly how this is exactly how it's supposed to do. So what I want you to do, Jane, so can you turn your camera and see and show your Edison robot if you want to do
Yeah.
that? Okay, so what I want you to do, just put your camera down so I can see your you just put you need to put your Edison robot up against the camera. Okay, so press play. If you press the triangle button, you should turn the thing off.
Hang on.
Okay, so press triangle.
It just makes a beep sound.
That is strange. What happens if you press what happens if you press the round button? When you press play?
It makes that like sound when you're going to record it.
Okay. So did you follow exactly the way it's sorry, did you follow exactly the code, right?
Yes.
Okay. Did you hear any beeping when you press? So just maybe press the middle button or the square button, and then what happens when you press play? Do you hear like a beep or something?
When I press play to make it move, it will just move. But now when I press play to do it now, it's just making a beep sound.
So does it make a beep like every second or something?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's exactly what we wanted to do. So if it makes a beep every second, that's a good sign. If you press the round button, the light should turn on.
Okay.
And then if you, and then press triangle. Does the light turn on when you press triangle? Okay. I think there's some issues with the program. Maybe try looking at it again and see if it works. But
Okay.
thank you very much for the demonstration, Jade. Awesome. Let's just give someone else the opportunity. Thank you very much, Jade. Amrit, do you want to demonstrate?
Hello.
Yep. Can you turn on your camera?
Yep.
Okay.
I just want to say a problem. Something is wrong with my Edison robot.
Okay. I don't think there's anything wrong with the Edison robot. The purpose of that, it doesn't, there's nothing, it's supposed to, what it's supposed to do when you press play, you hear a beep every second.
What?
Do you hear that? Do you hear a beep every second? Yep.
What?
Do you hear a beep? Okay. Is your camera working? Because you need to demonstrate, you need to have your camera working.
Apparently my camera does not work.
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
As you can see, it won't
Okay.
stop from having a black screen.
Okay, that's fine. We can get back to you another time. But yeah, thank you so much for volunteering. Okay. So okay. Do you want to demonstrate?
And yeah, in our coding car, when we are controlling the things that what you are doing, anyone saw the car is always going forward. We don't know what to do.
Yeah,
What happened?
we did same thing what you said. Just a moment. Are you able to
Okay.
see? Sorry.
Let's see what you've done.
My bad.
Keep it like that, Mama. I can see.
Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Just let me zoom in.
Keep it like that.
Okay, so
But we have
what
an
happens?
error like that. That blocks not connected. Yellow event block
Yeah, that
will
should be
not.
fine. That should be fine because you disconnected something that's completely, you got something on the right. So what you should do, what your Edison robot should do is that whenever you press play, you should hear a beep every second or something like that. Do you does it beep every second?
Say again.
Whenever you press play, does it beep every second?
Okay.
Does it beep every second?
It wouldn't work.
Does it beep?
Yeah. No sound.
No sound? Okay. Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much. I'll try to do one more demonstration, see if it works. Thank you very much, Paya and ma'am. Thank you very much. Okay. Jasper?
One quick question. Am I purple on the video
Yes,
too?
you are. Yes, you are.
Yeah, I don't know what happened there.
Okay, that's fine. What we can do is, can we see your Edison robot? See that you can see the light? Yep, that's perfect. Okay, so when you press play, do you hear beep?
Oh, when I press the circle, I do.
Yep. Then press triangle. When you press triangle,
Yeah, it doesn't do anything.
okay, press. Yes, so that's fine. If you hear the beep, or if you hear the beep, right? When you press the circle, you should turn the light. You should turn the light on, otherwise you should turn the light off. Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much for demonstrating. Let's try. Let's just try one more person, and then Jess, and then easier to see what the issue is. Okay, Jess, let's see what you've done. Okay, so do you hear like a beep?
Yeah.
If you press round, the light should turn on.
Round.
And press triangle. You should always hear the beep unless you press the circle, it will turn the light on. If you press the triangle, the light will turn off. But otherwise, you can hear the beep all the time. Can you hear the beeps too, Jess?
What was that? Sorry.
So whenever you don't push the button, you hear a beep, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, except for the square one.
Exactly, yes. So when you press square, it will terminate the program completely. But when you press either the circle button, it should turn the light on. If you press the triangle button, it should turn the light off.
Yeah.
So can you show me this one more time?
Okay, do it again.
So when you press play,
Triangle.
the light should be off.
Oh.
So you always play a sound. You always play a sound unless you push this the circle button to turn the light on and the triangle button to turn the light off.
Can you hear the sound?
You can hear the sound perfectly. Awesome, brilliant.
And then stop.
Awesome, brilliant, great job, Jess. So this is pretty much what the program should be doing. Okay, awesome. We'll be moving on now. Thank you very much.
Sorry, you muted again, Peter.
Okay. Wait. Okay. I think the last thing I said. We're gonna move on. We're gonna use the obstacle beam and stuff. So every time you put anything in front of your obstacle beam, you should be able to hear a sound. You should basically play a sound. Okay. So let's just go back to the forever loop. We probably should get the forever loop. I took it out from the already, but let's bring it back in here, right? So what we're gonna do is we are going to turn on the obstacle beam. So whenever you put your hand around the Edison robot, it should like activate the motion sensor and stuff. So what we're gonna do is if an obstacle is detected everywhere, so around your Edison robot, we'll make a beep, and we'll maybe play 2 notes. Okay. Okay. Should be a simple task. Should be a simple task as such. Okay, I think you should. Let me see if I'm sharing my screen. I haven't shared my screen, so my bad. I should share my screen again. Okay, so you should be seeing my screen. So you basically go here, sensing, you turn the obstacle beam on. You should be able to, so in your Edison robot, you should be able to put your hand around Edison. Every time you put your hand around Edison, you should be able to hear like a sound. You activate like a motion sensing. So it's like motion sensing. Every time you have a motion around the Edison robot, you should be able to play a sound. This is maybe more challenging. So if you want to demonstrate, please raise your hand. This is something more challenging. Okay, Pratham, do you want to try again? Can you put your camera down?
I'm just building. Just deleted what I made.
Pratham, can you put your camera down? Your camera down so we can see your Edison robot. Yeah, perfect, awesome. So what happens when you press play? When you press play on your Edison robot, when you press play on your Edison robot, if you put your hands around it, it should make a sound. Can you try that, Pratham? Are you there?
I'm just making a new one.
Okay, we can get back to you, Pratham.
Yeah, I just want to make a new one.
Okay, we'll get back to you. Okay. Sieta, I haven't seen you raise your hand, so let's try. Let's see you, Sieta. Sieta?
Okay. Can you see the
Yep.
screen? Okay.
I can see. So what happens when you press play? When every time you put your hand around, you play a sound. Yep, I can hear. That's exactly what I want to do.
Okay.
Brilliant. That's beautiful. Good job, Sieta. So the purpose of this is every time you cover every time you like move around the Edison robot, you should turn the light. Sorry, let me explain this. You should play a sound. So it's motion activated music or sound, that kind of thing, you know. Awesome. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see. Get some more people to demonstrate. Brilliant work, Sieta. Great job, Jasper.
Yep.
Let's see what you've done. Your camera's better now. Brilliant work.
Yeah, I fixed it.
Brilliant. Yep, awesome. Every time, try doing it again. Yep, I can hear sound. Brilliant work, Jasper. Absolutely brilliant work. Awesome. Thank you very much, Jasper. Okay. Yep, Ben, here you go.
Can I just hold it up like this? Can you see it?
Okay, can you press play? I can see. Yep. Can you press play?
Wait.
Yep, I can hear. Just move your thing around.
Like this?
Yep, I can. Every time you move it around, like move your hand or something around your Edison robot, it should play a sound. Yep, brilliant. Awesome. Great job, Ben. Okay. This is more complicated to understand. I'll give one opportunity for one more person to demonstrate this. Okay. Yep, Jess, let's see what you've done. Wait, so let me just find let me find Jess's camera.
We'd put it on now.
Yep, okay, perfect, awesome. Thank you very much.
Put your hand over. Is that it?
That's brilliant. Try again. That's brilliant. Awesome. So every time you put your hand around, you should be able to hear the Edison robot make a sound. Okay, that's brilliant. Awesome. Great job, Jess. Okay. Pratham, let's try one more time. Hopefully you know what to do. Can you try this one more time, Pratham?
Yeah.
Can you try? So what I want you to do is press play. If you've done the program correctly, it should make a sound every time you put your hand around your Edison robot. Okay, Pratham?
It just said red arrows.
Okay. What I want you to do, Tatam, if you can, rewatch the video of this class and then try to follow along exactly as it is shown in the class. Okay?
Just it said red arrows. It said
Red arrows.
red arrows. Red arrows.
Are you on your computer or your laptop? Are you on your computer or are you on your laptop?
My laptop.
Are you, okay. Okay, can you share your screen? I'll let you share your screen. Can you share your screen?
Okay.
Can you share your screen? Okay. Oh, that's good. Oh, very important thing. Very important thing. Go to sensing. You're missing one thing. Very important. You have to put turn obstacle detection beam on and put it above the if. After start. So you see the second, you can see the second thing. Put it below start. No. You have to put it above the if, but below the start. Put the beam inside. Yep, the if. Yep. Put the turn obstacle detection. And also, what I want you to do, go to control. Go to control. Go to control. Put forever after turn obstacle detection beam on. Okay. So you see forever. Okay, you see forever. Oh, no. Keep it that way. Go to the very left. Put forever below. No, not repeat it. Put forever. Can you please replace the repeat with forever? Pratham? Not repeat 10 times. Can you take the repeat out? Can you put forever instead? It should be, yep, perfect, awesome. Okay. Okay, now can you try this now? So you try running this Edison program? I'll share my screen again. And then hopefully it works for you. It should work for you now. Okay, so this is try sharing my screen. Here. Hope you can all see my screen. Okay. I think you're frozen for that. Yep. Okay. Now can you try now? Whenever you're ready, can you try? Yep, Pratham, can you try? Well, I'm gonna mute you. Let me just unmute you. Where are you? Okay, let's try this again. You there? I think you're frozen. Can you put your camera down? Can you unmute? And can you try running this? Okay. Now, when you press play, yep. Okay. It looks like you got something partially correct. Okay, that's a good attempt. That's definitely an improvement. I really recommend you watch the video again and try to do exactly what is in the code so that you will be able to emulate the results that we were looking for. Otherwise, brilliant job and great effort. Thank you very much. So we're going to do one last thing. We almost caught up. We're going to do one last thing before we end the class. Okay? So what we're going to do...
That even shouldn't be that shouldn't be programs that in
Sorry, Peter, you muted again.
I think we always, for some reason, I always mute for some reason. Okay, so what we're gonna do one last thing. We're gonna make a very fun program. Your Edison should drive forward every time you see an obstacle. You turn around, and run away and stuff. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it turn around. So so you're gonna turn the detection beam on. Set the both motors to drive forward. Obstacle being detected. Whenever you detect the obstacle ahead, you're going to turn 180 degrees. And we'll make it full speed ahead. Okay. This is the last program. So what it should do? You should drive forward, and then whenever there's an obstacle in front, you will do a 180 turn. It will turn around, and keep driving until there's an obstacle detected. It will turn around. Okay. So yeah. So what I want you to do is just to try to program this. And then the sooner we get this done, the sooner we can end the class. And we can even finish class early since we caught up really well. Okay, so iPad. Okay, let's see.
For some reason, it's telling me that some sensor data is stored as in Edison's memory, and I need to clear the sensor data. And I'm clearing the sensor data, but it isn't working.
Okay, so maybe just turn off your Edison robot and just like log into the page again, and see if that helps.
So turn it off and get out of the page and get back in.
Yes. Let's try that again.
It's like I went to the Edison page and it told me that Edison saved some of the programs.
Yes, fine. Yeah, it should be
And
fine.
you have to
Let's
clear
not do the thing again.
Sorry, Peter, you muted again.
Okay, so the sooner we get this done, the sooner we get this done, the sooner we can go. Okay, so yeah, just gonna wait until someone raises their hand and demonstrate what is being done. The sooner we can do this, the sooner we can head home. Oh, so we are home. So the sooner we can. Ben, do you want to try?
Just have one question. So when I click the start button, all it does, it's like it drives forward and then it can't do the beep and then the spin.
Okay, so when you put your Edison robot in front of like a hand or something, it should turn around.
Okay, I'll try that.
Let's try that. Okay, so yeah, we have 2 minutes left to 7:15. Okay, Jasper, do you want to be the one that finishes off the class?
Yep.
So we can head home? Let's see if it works. Okay. Yep. Oh, brilliant. Keep going. Press play. Press play. Yep. Brilliant. And then brilliant. Awesome. Pretty much every time you put an obstacle, you should turn around. Okay. Awesome. Ben, I'll give you one more to go, and then if not, we can head up after Ben. Thank you very much, Jasper. Okay. Ben. Okay. Ben, do you want to try?
Yep, it works now.
Okay. Can you show the class?
Okay.
Okay, where are you, Ben? I can't see you. I need to pin you. Ben, can you see? Okay, let's try. Can you do it again? Okay. Press the play button. Yep, brilliant. Yep, awesome. Every time you put thing in front, it should turn away. Awesome, brilliant work. Okay, awesome. Despite being starting late, thank you for everyone's patience. We can head off. Thank you very much. I will unmute everyone, and then you can all say goodbye if you want to say goodbye. Caleb, I like the close up shot.
Bye.
Bye.
Everyone,
Bye.
patience.
Bye.
Yeah.